Aranveer, 8th lesson we have to do, no, in grammar?
Yes, ma'am.
Total relief, all exams over.
Yeah,
How many are willing to come to school?
ma'am, I'm not willing, ma'am. Coming, ma'am. It's ma'am, I'm not willing to come.
Just raise your hands.
Ma'am, who are coming to school? They have to saying, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Good
who are
morning.
coming to school? They should raise, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Diana, willing to come?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
coming, ma'am.
Okay, 1, 2. Only 2 kids.
Who want to come to school? They have to raise your hand.
Only 2
Nobody
kids.
came. Mokshit also, ma'am.
Okay.
Karanveer. Neha, Yasika. Ma'am, I'm not coming. Ma'am, that's it. Excuse me, ma'am.
Mute yourself.
Ah,
Ma'am, I want to come to school, but my mom is telling no, ma'am.
no, you have to raise your hand only if your parents give permission. Okay, ma. All of you open page number 34, grammar.
Ma'am, 8th lesson articles.
Yeah, fill in the. Who is shouting?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have. Diana, ma'am.
Some kid shouting, please mute.
Ma'am. Ma'am, when will you check classwork, ma'am?
Yeah, classwork I'll check.
You unmuted me, ma'am. It's saying good morning, ma'am.
See, last week, just 2-3 days back, I forwarded, right? So maybe many of them may be busy with exam preparation.
Okay.
Next week I'll check.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, we already know
We
everything
have
about
articles in
articles.
course book also, right, ma'am? What is the page number?
Ma'am, we wrote.
Look at here in the screen, and Diana. So we already know about about articles. Let's quickly finish this. Yeah, I'll ask and just you take the answer. Kavita is dash nice person. Sahasra.
Kavita is a nice person.
Just tell the answer. That's it. Because you are very well. Everybody is reading very well. So I don't.
Ma'am,
want
why
you
you
to read
unmuted
and
me,
write.
ma'am? Ma'am, why
I
you
didn't
unmuted me?
unmute. I want to mute everybody, not unmute. Diana, mute. Okay, Neha, she works dash factory.
She works in a factory.
Just tell the answer. Do you like dash rock music, Hasini? Diana.
Ma'am.
Be alert and quick. Just tell the answer.
Ma'am, I don't have textbook, ma'am.
No problem.
You can read from the screen.
Yashashwin,
Ma'am,
do you like dash music, rock music?
play music.
No, no article is required. Put cross there. Yashita, I bought dash new laptop last week. Yashita,
Yeah, ma'am.
I bought dash new laptop last week.
A laptop, ma'am.
Yeah. Karanveer, I would like to have dash piece of that cake. Fifth one.
Ma'am, answer is A, ma'am.
Anish, did I ask you? Please to answer only when asked. Aishwarya, I
The
borrowed
piece
dash
of
pen.
that cake.
Have a piece of that. Aishwarya, I borrowed dash pen from dash someone in dash queue.
I borrow dash pen
Abhiram,
from dash someone in dash QU.
Kamshini.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhi, when I call you, you should quickly say the answer. You should not let me give chance to others. You should be enthusiastic and then immediately give the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Abhi, tell me sixth answer, quick. Kamshini, I'll give you chance.
I borrowed a pen from.
Ma'am, you gave me chance.
What, Manish?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your problem?
borrowed.
Manish, I didn't ask you. I'm asking Abhi.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, Deepesh called you, ma'am. Deepesh.
Yeah, ma'am.
Deepesh, what is your problem?
Ma'am, he is telling that you gave him a chance.
ma'am, is telling.
I gave him a chance. We just started the class. When did I give him chance?
No, ma'am. Now you gave me chance to unmute.
That's okay. Forget about these technical issues. Abhi, please finish it, ma.
Ma'am, I am telling, ma'am.
Tell
But
them.
A cross the.
What? I borrowed.
I borrowed pen.
Ma'am is only telling the answers.
Yes,
ma'am. A cross the.
A cross the. Very good. A cross the. Wonderful. No one, nothing is required before someone. Yeah, Aditi, seventh. I will meet you at Dash restaurant that opened on Dash Sunday.
I will meet you at a restaurant that opened on the sun.
No.
article.
Yeah, I will meet you at
Cross
the
mark.
restaurant. Okay, the restaurant opened on Sunday.
Any article will not be. The restaurant,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah, the
Ma'am,
restaurant.
the restaurant.
Ma'am, I will meet you at
I'll show you the answers.
The
Wait.
restaurant, na, ma'am.
Yes, Yashita, I told you the thrice now.
Ma'am, second one is.
I will show the answers. All of you wait. I'll show the answers. Kamshini, do the eighth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you unmuted me. Unmute.
Ma'am, you unmuted me.
Yes, madam. In
Please don't disturb
Ma'am, you
mute and
gave-
unmute. Kamshini, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, you gave unmute for me.
Ma'am, we are going to the United Kingdom in July.
Okay. Check with the answers. Wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, for the last for the exam, we are going to the United Kingdom in cross July, ma'am.
Take your answers.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute.
Hey, ma'am.
Barney, you check your answers instead of asking me.
Ma'am, we checked, ma'am. All are correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's move to the next topic.
1 minute.
And the A, the N. The A, The and
Ma'am,
Look
1
up
minute, I'm
note.
checking.
61. The.
Wait for 1 minute.
Loka, can you mute yourself?
Okay.
1 minute, ma'am. I'm in 51 and checking.
Renika, don't you know the answers?
Ma'am, I'm just taking it twice,
Hmm.
ma'am.
Articles. Let us revise what we already know.
the video.
Ma'am,
Words a, an,
Tell him.
and
Yeah, new students, all of you mute. John, everybody.
excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Don't shout.
What is your
Ma'am,
problem?
here in the 7th one, I will meet you at dash restaurant that opened dash Sunday. How they will come, ma'am, first?
Because we are talking about specific restaurant is asking to meet.
That's why the restaurant, not a restaurant.
Okay, all of you follow this video, please. Sir. Diana, new students especially.
the are called articles.
Yeah, all of you know a, an, and the are called articles. We will be learning about what are definite articles and what are indefinite articles.
An article is placed before a noun to indicate whether the noun is specific or unspecific.
Yeah, if it is specific, it is a specific definite article, that is the. If it is in general or unspecific, these are called indefinite articles, that is a and an. Ali, are you concentrating or having fun? Please, whoever is there in your room, please ask them to leave and please concentrate 100%.
There are two kinds of articles, definite and indefinite articles.
All of you, definite and indefinite. Repeat the words. Definite article, indefinite article.
A and an are indefinite articles.
Because they don't talk about any specific things. Unspecific, in general. That's the reason indefinite.
They do not refer to any particular person, place, animal, or thing. The is a definite article. It refers to a particular person, place.
The is definite article. It refers to particular
One
person.
minute.
Yukta Reddy, will you mute? So the refers to, the is called a definite article because it refers to particular place, person, place, or animal or thing. Diana, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Please focus, ma'am.
Animal, or thing. The indefinite articles a and an are used before singular.
Yeah, now where all instances we should use a and an. There's so many instances.
Countable nouns when we speak about them in a general way. For example, this is a house.
So countable, singular, countable noun. House, houses. House is countable, isn't it? And when we talk about them in general way, for example, first time when you see a house, you say this is a house.
Before words that begin with a vowel but have a consonant sound,
Yeah, these specification exceptions you already know, right?
we
For
use
example,
a. For example, the Eiffel Tower is
yeah, actually E. Diana, if you really understand what is it, now tell me why A is used before European. If you tell me, then I will think that you thoroughly understand what are articles. No, you didn't understand.
Anyone can tell, mom.
No students.
Ma'am.
New students.
say what are infinite and definite, ma'am?
I just showed you in the video. You were not
Ma'am,
concentrating.
once
Yukta.
can you tell how we will spell this?
Ma'am, because of network issue, I'm leaving and joining, ma'am. That's why.
I'm forwarding the video. It's very easy. You can see. Yeah. Tikshana, Manaswini, can you explain why
Yes,
a
ma'am.
European? Why not an European?
Ma'am, why we should use a, not an? In European word. Yeah.
Manaswini, do you know or you don't know? Please don't waste time. She's not even answering. Well, so Mokshit, can you explain?
Ma'am, because it's a continent sound, ma'am.
Which one?
European.
Which consonant sound?
Hmm?
How do you pronounce European?
European.
European, right? Ya sound is coming. Why is a? Why is
Silent.
a? Not silent. Why is a?
No.
Consonant,
Sorry.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's written A.
Ma'am, European
Ma'am,
means
European
is coming, no, ma'am.
We are spelling yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
That's why.
Ya sound. Ya sound is coming.
Ma'am, European means U sound is coming, no, ma'am.
You. You, ya.
U is a vowel only, no, ma'am.
European, ma, ya sound only, not European. European.
Yes.
And first Y is coming, and after we will spelling U,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Ma'am, EU means year. That's why
That
it
you are.
is
Why you are. That you.
Before words that begin with a consonant but have a vowel sound, we use an. For example, an MP is speaking on the stage.
Again, same. An MP. MP is consonant. So A should be used. But when we pronounce MP, M, E sound will come.
A sound,
That's
not,
why-
ma'am.
Words that
Ma'am, we
begin
were-
with a silent H. For example, the doctor is
1 second, ma'am.
We are not considering consonants. We are considering sounds.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we are
an.
not. Ma'am, we are not using consonant, right, ma'am? We are. Ma'am, we can look like this. Consonant sound.
Yeah, here silent H you already know, right? Where in the words like honest, our, where the word H is silent, obviously article an. Because honest, our.
O is sounding, ma'am.
When we refer to something for the first time, a butterfly has wings.
Yeah, when we refer for the first time, it is always a butterfly.
To say that a person belongs to a
What, Neha?
Ma'am, honest, we don't spell H, ma'am.
We don't spell. Most of them make mistake. Even the very
Ma'am, honest, na ma'am. Can you spell once, ma'am?
honest. See, most of them don't
H
know
is
that.
silent,
Ma'am,
no,
in that
ma'am.
O is coming. That's why
Honest.
we will write
Honest,
How many people will talk at the same time? Diana is talking, Yukta is talking, Varni is talking, Neha is talking. How can I understand you? Tell me. One by one,
O
please.
is coming.
If you have a doubt, raise your
H
hand.
is
You don't talk. Raise your hand. Then I will say what is. I will ask what is your doubt. Aditi, what is your doubt?
ma'am. H is silent, no, ma'am. In honest.
Yeah, that's what Neha is asking. I explain the same thing. Yukta, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, here honest O will come. That's why we will write an.
In honest, it is not honest. It is honest. So O sound. So H is not there at all.
Yes, ma'am. That's why we will write an.
That's why. That's the reason we write an. Yeah, Tanvi. When
Okay.
you when your doubt is clear, drop your hand.
Yes, ma'am. For every H letter we write an, ma'am.
No. Only where the instances of silent H.
Okay, ma'am.
Not everywhere. Aditi, your doubt is cleared means please drop your hand. Varni, what is your doubt? When I'm asking her, she is not replying. Asking. Manish, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, I did not understand page number 35, 3 and 4 points, ma'am. Before
What are you
words
talking about, ma? 35 page, where did we come across? First of all, we are doing this video, right?
Ma'am, I'm telling that before words that begin with a consonant but have vowel sound we use and
That way, let us see in the video. You will understand. Varni, what? I asked you, you were talking to somebody, Varni. What is your doubt?
For honor is also and will only come, no, ma'am.
For which one?
Honor.
Honorable.
Honor, ma'am. Honor.
Honor is not there. Honor only.
Okay, ma'am.
Roshni.
That's also
See, one by one, if you go on asking these doubts, we won't proceed. How many doubts you have? Roshni, what?
Ma'am, you told A is not A and N are not taken to a specific one, no, ma'am. Kavita is a nice person. It is talking is in a specific only, no, ma'am. Kavita in specific name it is talking, no, ma'am.
But
Then
nice, no?
we-
A nice. The nice, you can't say. Kavita is the nice person. When second time when you call, talk about Kavita, then it will come there. Yukta, only one doubt per chance, ma. Not our same person should not ask so many doubts. Okay?
Particular religion before nationalities. For example, Judy is an American. While referring to an example of something, for example, a giraffe has a long neck. With names of jobs, for example, Yusuf is a photographer. The definite article the is used when we refer to a noun that is one of its kind. For example, the sun is the biggest star
already
in the
always
solar
tell you,
system.
right? Only one and only one kind in the whole world. All of you drop your hands. Then also like the sun, the moon, the chief
And
minister
we use
of
the
chief
we use
minister of
sun the because we have only one sun, ma'am. If we have many, we will use a or an, ma'am.
System. When we refer to a noun that we have already mentioned. For example, Myra baked a cupcake. The cupcake had chocolate chips on top.
Yeah, first time when we are referring cupcake, a cupcake. Again, we are talking something more about the same cupcake. So the cupcake.
When we refer to a noun that we believe is known to the hearer or reader. For example, the family will go for a beach vacation. When we refer to a specific geographical point on Earth. For example, Robert Peary was the first person to reach the North Pole.
Yeah,
With-
before the directions, obviously you all know, right? All the 4 directions.
Words such as next, only, same, following, previous. For example, we are waiting for the next episode of this show. Before a common noun when the noun represents the whole family, group, class. For example, the owl is a wise animal. With superlatives and ordinal numbers. For example, Yuri Gagarin was the first man in space.
Yeah, ordinal numbers and superlative degree. The biggest, the longest, and one more is the first, the second, the third, the fifth, the sixth, like that. Yeah, first give me attendance.
Ma'am, wise means
Abdul absent. Abdul absent.
Abdul Jishan.
Aditi, Diana, Aishwarya. Akshara present or absent? Akshara.
ma'am. Absent, ma'am.
Adharva.
He's
Present, ma'am.
present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Adhar present or absent?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Banu
Present, ma'am.
Christina,
Ma'am,
Absent, ma'am. Absent, ma'am.
okay. Jerusha, obviously absent. Karanveer. Ketan? I didn't see Ketan.
Ma'am, Ketan is also
Absent, ma'am.
absent.
Yes,
Ma'am, Ketan is absent.
Mahita?
Mahita is present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Ketan is absent, ma'am.
Nishita?
Present, ma'am. Nishita. Present.
Present, ma'am.
Sabari Girish absent. Shloka?
Ma'am,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
present, ma'am.
Snehasri?
Not there, ma'am.
Absent,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
roll number 30, present, ma'am. 30 present,
Yashashvi
ma'am.
present. Yashadeep?
Absent, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Absent, ma'am.
Ma'am. He's absent.
Ma'am, that's why 28 participants.
Ma'am, he came in Telugu period, ma'am. Yes, deep.
Ma'am, 30.
With the names of mountain ranges, rivers,
28 members are
and
present.
oceans. For example, the Nile is the
You all know that before rivers, oceans, seas, mountains, we use the.
longest river in Africa.
Ma'am, even John is
Books, magazines, and newspapers.
Yeah, holy books, epics, magazines, newspapers.
For example, the Hindustan Times is a national newspaper. Famous landmarks and buildings,
India Gate, monuments,
works of art, and monuments.
famous buildings.
For example, the Gateway of India is a famous tourist location in Mumbai. With countries whose names
Yeah,
contain
not before all the countries, but the countries in which kingdom, states, or republic. If these words are contained in that country, for example, the United States of America, the United Kingdom, only before those countries we should use the. The India is
Ma'am,
wrong.
in which republic, ma'am? Can you say one example for
like
republic?
kingdom, states, or republic. For example,
Democratic
the
Republic of
People's
Congo,
Republic
na,
of
ma'am.
China has the world's largest population, with countries which have plural names as their names.
And also before the countries which have plural names, like
For example,
Mauritius,
the Netherlands is a beautiful country in
Netherlands.
Europe. When we use an adjective of quality as a noun, for example, the elderly need our help. When we speak of musical instruments, for example, Jane plays the piano beautifully. Omission of articles. We do not use articles
Yeah, this is also very important, where we should never use articles or omission of. Omission means avoid.
before expressions like last night, last week, last month, next year, next month. For example, Mayuri and her brother went to the beach last weekend. Before
And
uncountable
they should
nouns,
not say the last weekend.
water is essential for life. Before abstract nouns, which are uncountable. For example, happiness is infectious. Before plural countable nouns, for example, dogs are said to be man's best friend. Before proper nouns, for example, Tahira is a businesswoman.
Yeah, we should never use the before a person name, whether female or male. The Tahira, wrong.
Before the names of languages. For example, during the language class, the children talk to each other in German. With phrases such as by chance, by
Okay, anyway, we
mistake.
can't remember all this. Let's do the exercises. Yeah, fill in the blanks with A. We need a dash engineer to fix the fault in the meter.
Ma'am, we can't see the page, ma'am.
Ma'am, there is a flip book and all options are there, animation.
Yeah, Manogna, we need dash engineer to fix the fault in the meter.
We need an engineer to fix.
Yeah, Tanvi, he visited dash White House in dash United States of America.
He visited the White House in the United States of America.
Okay. Yashita, I got dash A plus for my project and I'm very happy.
Ma'am, both the second one.
Yeah. I'll show the answers. Whoever missed,
D, ma'am.
see later.
Diana, shall I read,
The,
ma'am?
ma'am.
Diana.
Ashita.
The,
Anna,
ma'am.
wait.
Ma'am, I did not got any chance for money.
Manish, there are so many kids who didn't get chance. One by one, I will give. Okay, please have
Ma'am,
patience.
THC, the.
I'm trying to do justice to all of you, but please bear with me. What, Yashita?
Ma'am, the, ma'am.
No.
An,
A plus.
an.
Okay. Who didn't get chance? Raise your hands. Aishwarya.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Aneha, what?
Ma'am, third one answer is ma'am.
Second one, why they will not come? Oh, ma'am, he visited a White House.
White House, famous building, no? White House in America, US.
Ma'am, Mokshit got chance, ma'am, but he raised the hand.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Nishita.
Aishwarya, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is
Aishwarya.
third answer, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Listen to me. Don't, when you are doing fourth one and the third one, don't ask what is first one answer. Those who miss the answers, wait. After the entire exercise is done, I will definitely show all the answers. Okay?
Ma'am, you got me.
Nishita.
Yes,
Sir.
Ma'am, you call me
dash-
Aishwarya, ma'am.
Aishwarya, wait, ma, please. Sir, Aishwarya, I already called you. Then there was some network issue. You didn't reply. Sir,
Ma'am, I
dash
replied,
gentleman
ma'am.
you are waiting for is in the hall. He is making dash phone call.
Ma'am, can you tell again?
What is to tell there to tell again, ma? Read fourth one and tell the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Sir, the gentleman you are waiting for, he is in the hall. He is making a phone call.
A phone call. Okay. Yukta, this is dash man Rahul was talking about.
Yes, ma'am. This is.
Don't read. See, if you have to read,
yes,
why
ma'am.
will I read? Just tell the answer.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
want to save
A,
time.
ma'am. This is
Nishita,
a man Rahul was talking.
Okay. John, all her life she wanted to be dash air hostess. Huh?
The ma'am.
The
man.
ma'am,
The man.
she told,
Oh, wrong. The man. John, sixth one answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Dash air hostess, sir. A is
All
oval.
her
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
A is oval. So which article should come?
The.
No, an. John, did you understand? Or where we should use a, an, and the?
I understood, ma'am.
Okay, then before nurse. Which article?
A, ma'am.
Oh, very good. Okay, Manish, don't forget to post dash letter I gave you.
Don't forget to post.
Don't
the-
read the sentence. Just tell the answer. I want to save time.
Ma'am, the.
Very good. Aishwarya, dash earth has 7 countries.
The earth has 7 continents.
Yeah. Shloka, Rani went to China and saw dash Great Wall of China. Shloka. Okay, Mahita.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mahita, I have got dash idea that I would like to share with you.
An idea.
Very good. Now I am showing the answers. Whoever has got doubts, please check with your answers. John, mute. Mute, ma.
Ma'am, checking done, ma'am.
Will you wait, Manish? If you are done, it doesn't mean that others have finished. See, whom I asked, please drop your hands so that everybody gets chance. Yukta, I already asked you. So drop your hand. How many times I need to tell you? Otherwise, I keep asking the same person again and again. Shloka, drop your hand. Manish, drop your hand.
Done, ma'am.
Now,
Checking
rewrite
answers.
the sentences using articles wherever.
9th and 10th. 9th and 10th you can tell, ma'am.
Srinika, please don't keep your mind near to your mouth, Srinika. Yes, Srinika.
Ma'am, can we write in the progress of the class? Done, ma'am.
Okay, rewrite the sentences using the articles wherever necessary. Neha, read the first sentence.
Yes, ma'am. He didn't enjoy the book I gave him.
So put a arrow like this. You know, right? That small thing. Put a thing like this. Ulta V, opposite V, tilted V. Then write on that the.
Okay, ma'am.
Diana, read second one.
Okay, ma'am. She is artist and she is married to engineer.
I'm expecting you to tell where articles are used. I didn't ask you to simply read the sentence.
She is an
Very good.
artist.
Very good. And
Mom, how to write, mom?
put ulta V, ma.
Is a
Inverted V.
mom.
Inverted V. Diana, one more article is required.
I'm like how before you corrected our class works when we forgot what word you did.
Ma'am, she is an artist, ma'am.
An artist and an engineer.
Ma'am, she is
Aishwarya,
an artist.
Aishwarya, you got chance, right? Drop your hand. Yashashvi,
Accidentally.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am reading, ma'am. Last week, I went to the school to meet an old teacher of mine.
very good. An old teacher. Diana,
Ma'am,
drop your hand.
she's married,
Neha?
ma'am. She's married, ma'am.
Lower your hand. Manashwini.
Ma'am, third one only Anne will come.
Yeah, that's it. Manashwini, read fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yashashvi, drop.
Many people think Tendulkar is the greatest batsman of all time.
Yeah, the greatest, because greatest is the. Why the before greatest? Manaswini,
Yes, ma'am.
why we are using the before greatest? Because greatest is
Compare.
superlative
correct,
degree. Superlative degree. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Who else didn't get chance? Raise your hands, quick. Harshika, why are you not raising hand? You didn't get chance, right? Harshika, read fifth one. It is
Dangerous for 6 person to drive car.
is dangerous for a sick person